Hello, beautiful souls. Today I want to take you on a journey into the heart of nature's blessings. Wind, water and sand. These three elements constantly sustain us, nurturing our spirits and connecting us to the divine creation of Obinukwu Chineke. Let's start with the wind. Have you ever taken a moment to feel the wind against your skin? It's invisible, yet so powerful. The wind carries the whispers of the earth, the messages from the trees, and the breath of life itself. It reminds us that even though we cannot see some things, their presence is undeniable. The wind teaches us to be flexible yet strong, to go with the flow but remain grounded. Next, let's talk about water. Water is life. It sustains every living being on this planet. Think about how a single drop of water can create ripples that span across a vast ocean. Water shows us the importance of every small action we take, how it can impact the world around us. When you drink water today, take a moment to appreciate its journey, from the clouds to rivers, lakes, and finally into your hands. It's a reminder of the interconnectedness of all existence. And then there's sand. Each grain of sand is a tiny piece of history, a fragment of a once mighty mountain or a coral reef. Sand tells us stories of transformation and resilience. It's a symbol of how life is constantly changing, yet every moment, every grain holds its own significance. Walking on sand grounds us, connects us to the earth, and reminds us of the beauty in every step we take. Wind, water, and sand. These elements are more than just parts of nature. They are blessings from Obinukwu Chineke, sustaining us and helping us to witness the beauty of creation. They teach us the profound truth that we are always connected to something greater, something divine. So I invite you to take a moment today, feel the wind, appreciate the water, and touch the sand. Let these elements remind you of the continuous blessings in your life. Let them inspire you to achieve good, to live with purpose, and to honor the divine creation we are all a part of. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Remember, you are blessed each day of your life. Until next time, stay connected, stay blessed,